Yo, what's up, YouTube world? It's your boy B Clarity 7 checking in, and I'm back to let you into my Robinhood investment account. Now, today is Tuesday, February the 2nd, 2021, and the stock market has been doing really well today. The Dow has rallied 600 points, and as far as all the mania with the GameStop and the AMC, it seems things are finally starting to correct themselves as the trend is going from up to going down. But let's go ahead and check out the current value of my portfolio. Right now, I'm sitting at $18,562. And for the day, the portfolio is up $310. For the past week, the portfolio is down $166. For the past month, the portfolio is up $1,072. For the past 3 months, portfolio is up $4,656. And for the past year, portfolio is up $4,621. Again, as I mentioned, the stock market has been trending very up, not only today, but even yesterday. And I am practically up on almost all the stocks that I hold. So we're just going to go ahead and switch over to total gains and loss. As you can see, Tesla continues to be my biggest gainer. Microsoft has been doing very well. They recently announced their earnings and they beat their earnings. So that has caused the stock price to go up. As you can see, I'm up on Microsoft, $366. Apple continues to also do well. I'm up over $300 on Apple. And HTGC, which is Hercules Capital, I continue to do well on Hercules Capital. I'm up over $300. SBE, I'm up, Bank of America, and so on and so on. Again, as I mentioned, just the market continues to keep doing well. So as I say, if you're not investing in the stock market, you really need to. And then as far as, again, as I mentioned, the AMC and the GameStop, as far as what was going on with the Reddit investors and moving up, it was just basically a classic pump and dump. That definitely was not the time for you to just go with the masses and just throw your money in, at least if you did not have a certain strategy on what money you're going to put in there and when you're going to pull it out, or even, just protecting your money that you invested in those particular companies. Let's go ahead and check out GameStop right now, and we're going to see how it's doing at the moment. So we're going to pull up GameStop, and as you can see, it has taken a huge beating. Again, as I mentioned, pump and dump, where the investors, they pumped up the price, and now the people are selling and they are taking their profits. As you can see, GameStop is down $255 for the past week. It's still up for the month, $78, but nowhere near where it was about a week or so ago when it was well over $300 and touching $400. Again, as I mentioned, the share prices are definitely dumping. I really hope that if you did jump into GameStop, you're not left holding that bag. But yeah, it was just classic pump and dump. Again, as I mentioned, the Reddit users got together, they ramped up the prices, they made the stock super popular, and then regular noob retail investors also started to jump in it. A lot of people did make money, but those who made money, there were also a lot of individuals who lost money. So not only just those massive hedge funds who lost billions of dollars. Hey, who cares about them anyway? Honestly, they've been reaping benefits and getting so much money for years. But my heart does go out to, again, the retail investors or the less informed investors who tried to jump into these plays, and if they jumped in at the wrong time. So I just really hope that you're not left holding the bag. And we are on AMC. As you can see, AMC for the past week is down $12, and today is down $5. So if you still have these stocks, I don't know, you might have to just take that loss. Or at least with the AMC, I can see AMC kind of going back up at some point, because when things do get, quote unquote, in the clear, hopefully AMC price will at least go up a little bit and people go back to theaters. Will it go up to what it was about a week ago? That aims to be seen. So we'll see. I will say the newest addition that I did add to my portfolio is I finally went ahead and I got into the crypto market. I had about $1 available for my buying power, so I just went ahead and I bought 26 Dogecoins. Once some more money settles in my account, my buying power, I will buy some more Dogecoin. It's one of the new speculative cryptos, but honestly, I look at it like it's cheap at the moment, so I don't mind just throwing in a few dollars to try to just increase the position. As you can see, it is down a little bit, but again, it's just going to be a few dollars, so I'm not tripping off of that. But as I mentioned, yep, so that is the Dogecoin. That will be one of the only cryptos that I get in. And again, like I said, this is just going to be more so, by just spending money. I'm going to throw it in Dogecoin, and ultimately I want to get up to at least like 2,000 shares of the Dogecoin. So again, as more money settles, I will get some more Dogecoin. Let's see, AT&T continues to be, like, as far as my biggest loss in my portfolio. But as you can see, I have 46 shares. My average cost is $30.35. The current price is $28. So total, I am down $73. However, I am receiving a nice dividend. And even per the Morningstar research report, the fair value is at $36. So I'm hoping that the price share does go up to the $36, and then I will actually be up. And then even as you can see regarding the earnings, expecting EPS was 73 cents, actual was 75, so they did beat their earnings. So I'm hoping that it will rebound. But the main reason why I continue to hold AT&T is for the dividend. Let's go ahead and check out the dividend. As you can see, I just got paid yesterday $23 for the 45 shares that I hold. I had that dividend reinvested into the AT&T, and I now hold 46 shares. The goal is to get to at least 100 shares of AT&T, and once I do that, I will be receiving a dividend payment of $50 quarterly. So I'm just going to keep holding on to that. AT&T is one of those companies that pays a very nice dividend. As you can see, it's 7% yield. So I'm holding on to it for the dividend yield and the potential that if it goes up in actual share price, that'd be great. But in the meantime, that dividend is the passive income that I am looking for. Other than that, though, my portfolio is still doing well. I continue to, just keep reinvesting into these companies that I hold. As I always mention, my portfolio is very diverse. I do feel like these are some pretty good quality companies. So I just want to keep reinvesting into them and just keep building up my position and keep receiving those dividends. As you can see, it's been working, pretty well for me so far. I'm definitely aware of, as far as like the hype stocks and, the sexy stocks and what's trending and things. Again, how GameStop was, AMC and things. But, I have a particular strategy. Again, as I mentioned, I just want to keep, I want to stay diverse, but I want to invest in some pretty good quality companies that I believe in and things that I think will continue to stand the test of time. I have no problem, building my wealth slow. I'm not necessarily trying to get rich quick. I want to build the, passive wealth that will stay. So again, that's why I continue to keep investing in these pretty good companies. And these are companies that pay dividends and that are known for paying their dividends. So that's why I continue to invest in these. And I hope that if you are going to invest in the stock market, you're going to have a strategy similar to that. Again, if you're going to day trade, there's no problem with that. You do make money, of course, day trading. But if you want to play the long game, you're going to want to invest in, again, as I mentioned, good quality companies, and particularly, companies that are going to pay dividends. That's how you're going to build your wealth, by receiving that regular passive income. But, that is just, that's my stance on it. That's what I do. But other than that, I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you're not already subscribed to the BClaw87 channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate that. Drop a like too if you like the content. I hope you like this video. I got more videos on the channel. Feel free to roam through them, and I'm pretty sure that there's going to be something that you like within the channel. Last but not least, if you're not already investing in the stock market using the Robinhood app, click the link in the description box so you can download the Robinhood app for your phone, and you can start investing in the stock market today. And then that way you'll also be able to receive big gains, dividends, and other things such as that nature. Again, let's just go ahead and check out the year. Again, 2020, I made over $4,000, $4,600 in capital gains and just dividends that have been reinvested. My portfolio is up 33% within the past year. Those are great gains. Like I said, it's always the right time to invest in the stock market. Oh, I guess last but not least, a little bit of stimulus news. We're still kind of going back and forth with the stimulus talks. Unfortunately, we have not received as far as, the stimulus checks yet. The Democrats, Republicans are still kind of going back and forth. Will we receive $2,000? Will we receive $1,400? Or even as of lately, will we receive $1,000? Apparently, the Republicans, they have proposed only sending out $1,000 checks to individuals, particularly single individuals who make less than $40,000 per year. But who knows if that will pass? Personally, I hope that does not pass, and I at least hope that they approve at least $14,000 and $14,000 to individuals who are making, as far as that 75K threshold. I believe that's what it was. Because honestly, I feel like $1,000 is not enough. And especially, just for those individuals who make $40,000, I do feel like there are some individuals who make a little more than $40,000 who are still suffering and still hurting. So I think that they should kind of, move the goalpost a little higher, just so more people can receive the relief, because stimulus would definitely assist individuals with paying their rent, paying their bills, feeding their family, and even just help them as far as putting money into their emergency funds, or even investing some of it. Honestly, you can give a man a fish, he'll eat for a day, but you teach a man to fish and he'll eat forever. So, even if some people take that stimulus money and they put it into, again, as I mentioned, the stock market, or invest that money into starting like a small business or so, like, it's definitely going to help. So I do hope that we are able to get at least the $1,400 out to the American citizens. 2,000 would be great, but 14 I feel like will be fine too. So we shall see. But yeah, sorry about that tangent. I just thought I'd add that stimulus talks in because, because that's still up in the air. So we'll see where that goes. But yes, like the video, subscribe to the page, and click the link in the description box so you can start downloading the Robinhood app and you can start investing today. And yeah, peace, everybody.